Hi guys, welcome back to QA Vũ USA. Chào mừng các bạn đã trở lại với kênh QA Vũ USA. Today I will show you how to install the dishwasher. Hôm nay mình sẽ giới thiệu với các bạn cái cách để làm sao để thay cái dishwasher. Thì nếu quý vị các bạn tự làm được, if you can do it by yourself, it's the first reason that okay you want to learn. You have time and you save the money. Nếu mà mình tự làm được thì mình sẽ học hỏi được nhiều thứ vì các bạn. Và ngoài cái việc học hỏi ra thì mình sẽ tiết kiệm được chi phí. Okay, for the free, if you are installing this one, they will cost you about $150. 150, nó sẽ có chi phí khoảng là 175. This is the quotation from Home Depot. And if you do like that, and I think if you have to tip for the guy who installed, it's got like 200 or something. So the total that's 200. It depends on how much you want to tip them. So it's got normally I said that it's got like 200. Thì cái việc các bạn nếu mà các bạn gánh thì cái phí gánh nó khoảng 175. Đó là cái báo giá của Home Depot. Nhưng mà nếu quý vị các bạn tự gánh thì I think it's only takes like 30 minutes to install this one. Okay, first we have to see that this one, this is the old one. No, it is the old one. I think it is still working, but not properly, but it's good. It still work. You can use it. If someone want to use, you can take it. But we want to buy a new one. Cái này thì vẫn còn xài được và nó tốt. Mình chưa có clean up gì hết nhưng mà nó rất là sạch sẽ nè, very clean. It's still very good, but we want to change a new one. Mình muốn thay đổi cái mới thôi các bạn ha. Thì thông thường á, ở đây nó có hai con ốc ha. Mình remove cái con ốc này đi ha. Okay, the step one, how to remove that one, the old one. And here we have the screw here, so we can remove the screw here and open this one. And we have this one too. So inside, I will show you a little bit inside here and a little bit inside. Okay, so that is the inside. So now we have to remove the inside back. But before you do that, we have to check for we have to check for the water supply and the electricity. First, for the water supply, you see here, I will show you step by step, very easy. I'm sorry, it's a little bit it's a little bit dark, so I will put this one here. You see, and this one is the the outside from the dishwasher. Cái này là cái ống đi ra ngoài các bạn ha. Okay, and here you can see. Okay, I move this one a little bit back out there. Sorry for this one, I forgot to remove this one. But we can see this one. This one have this one. We have the valve for the water. For example, now I put the water. It's coming down, and now I close this one. Because this one for both. This is for your sink and the water. Yeah, you see. This is the whole water. This is the whole water. So this one we have to. This is open. And it's closed. Okay, let's close. Okay. Does this one they have that's one too? See? Or that's one? You see this one? Okay. And for the safety, để an toàn quý các bạn, thì for the safety, okay, we go here and we can see in this one. Okay, this you see basement, water, dryer, water, his first floor, kitchen, and disposal. Here, dishwasher. Dishwasher is 11. So you can see here, and you look for 11. So here 11 here. Right, 11 is dishwasher. Cái số 11 này là cái công tắc cầu giao cho cái điện. Mình đóng cái điện này lại ha. Số 11 đóng cái điện này lại các bạn cho nó chắc ăn ha. Cái này là mình đang làm rất là chắc chắn, chắc ăn. Ok, very safety. Okay, so after I set up the electricity, but we have to check it. We have to check it. Have the electricity here or not. So we have to remove this one. This is electricity, and this one for the water. You see it? This one. We remove this one. Okay. Thứ nhất là mình thử coi nó có điện không các bạn ha. Này có điện không, có chạm đâu không. Thứ hai là mình remove cái ống nước. Vậy thôi. Mình đã set down nước rồi. Okay, so okay, remove this one. So they have this one, and they have like black and white, and we have this one for the crowds. This one for the crowd. So we open this one. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I'm remove the old one, so now I install the new one. So we can move it back with this one. Move the stuff over there, and I will show you. You see, this is the water, and for the new one, it is a GE, so it's better than the other one. The other one, on the water and everything is in front, but this one is from the back side. So this is the water. So I'm remove Be careful. I'm remove the old one. Yeah, I'm remove the old one, so I will use the new one. So the thing is, it's very good because this one from the back, so it's easy for you to put in the water supply. Cái này nó rất là tiện với các bạn, bởi vì mọi thứ nó nằm ở phía sau phía sau. So now the problem that's should I change this for the new one, or I can use this for the old one, because this one looks still good. For quickly we can use this one. Okay, so I have a decision that okay, I will use this one. Yeah, I will use this one. This is the old one. Okay, we don't need to, because we don't need to take the new one. Okay, we have also have the new one, but if someone recommend me to use the new one, I will use the new one. But now I want to use this one to connect this. So now I will install the power. As you can see, that's the power, and they have this one. And here you see they have a power cord. So I don't want to use this one. I use the other one. I have this one, and I fix this one. It cannot move out when you have something here. So it is stable. So now we connect which one. As you see, black one, white one, and white and black here, and the green one is as the ground, and you can connect with the ground here. Okay. So this is very important things, because if you don't forget this one, it's have a trouble. So be careful with this. Okay, so now I am done with this one, but we have to double check. With these blocks, white, and this is a drought, right? See, so that is very tight. So double checking this. Okay, so this one they have a box, so you have to protect this one too. So I will install this one, so you can, it's very easy to install this one too, right? Bỏ cái này đâu để cái đồ bảo vệ. Okay, they have the screw here. They have three things, and make sure they have like this. Oh, sorry, this one and that one. It is for fix the screw, and you can see this one and this one for that one. When you put all the thing over here, so we have to connect this one too. Okay. So now I connect this one, but be careful because this one is it is the plastic. So make sure this one always go like this one. So you don't need to tie very much, just tie it. I mean for sample. Cái này mình siết đừng có chặt quá nha bạn, và cẩn thận, cái này là cái nhựa ha. Ok, đây là cái hộp mình đã gắn rồi ha. Trong cái này bỏ hết đồ điện vô đây. Ok. So two things very important. So now we install it already. This is for the water, and it is for power supply. So now we put it back. Just make a test. Có hai cái quan trọng nhất đó là điện với lại nước, thì ok các bạn ha. Bây giờ từ từ mình bỏ vô. Okay guys, so I have done this for this one. Already done, but now I have to go, so I have to review quickly for testing and anything. But now it's very easy. It takes like 30 minutes or 35 minutes, but usually you can save the time, save the money if you have more time. Okay, see you next video. Thank you so much for your watching. Bye bye.